Well, I had a little delay, and now I'm back to working on this thing. But I'm having a bit of trouble, and AI stopped helping. But the vacuum cleaner hose did take away a lot. My canister was very full. But I feel like I need to get underneath where the vent holder is. So these screws are off, which to get that front panel off, but it's like there's a snag here somewhere. And I can't quite figure it out how to get this lid off. So I'm going to try taking all those screws off and see if I can see underneath this vent holder, because I know it's bad in there. It's got to be, before I put this monster back together, hopefully. But yeah, there's the lint I've gotten out so far. Okay, we'll see what happens.